Hey everyone, so there's the wheels for the car, and they're all hand cook. This ones are the Venturas and the Kinergies, because they couldn't find these ones in the size I wanted. Couldn't find those ones in the size I wanted either, but that was as close as I could get. So the rear tires are going to be 275 60 15s, and the front ones are 3 inches narrower at 225 75 15, and they are the same height. I didn't like that, but beggars can't be choosers. So we're going to come over here, we'll get the jack, and we're going to see what these things look like on this car. So let's get them put on and see what we think of them. I'm not too sure I like the wheels, but I need another set of 15-inch wheels so I don't lose my tires. So, and they need to have 5 inches back spacing at least. So anyways, let's get these thrown on and see what happens. Well, now that we got these new wheels and tires on, what do you say we fire her up, take her down to the water hydrant, and see how she looks? We'll spray off these wheels. Oh, I need to pick up these lug nuts. Oh, I had to go to town and get lug nuts. These are shanked lug nuts, and the other ones are not. So let's go down to this water hydrant. We'll pull up there, rinse these wheels off, and just see how they look in the sun. I'm not convinced yet. So they might not be staying on this car, but they will for at least a little while. Yes, I know I need to check the timing. Have not got around to it yet. Boy, this car sounds good. All right, let's get the hose out. We'll spray off these wheels. Planted me a couple fruit trees. I got one more apple tree to plant. One of them is a peach and one is an apple. They're saying storms here in a little bit, so I'm trying to hurry up, get this done. I don't want this car left outside, so. That won't be too bad there. This one's gonna need a little scrubbing on him. Oh, there she died. Wonder if she's out of gas. She could be. I got center caps coming for it, if I didn't already tell you. Need to get those air shocks working. That'll make a huge difference in the appearance of that thing. So, what do we think? They might grow on me, I don't know. We'll just have to see. Let's take it for a drive, see what happens. Battery on the camera's pretty low, but we can surely go up and down the road one time if we're not out of gas. Ow. I gotta roll down this window. I'm sorry, y'all, but it is hot. And no, it's a 4-speed shifter. For y'all that keep saying it's a 3-speed, 4 is just faded. So. Come on. It feels a lot better with these new tires on there. I'm afraid about how much gas I have in there. That's my concern right now. Because I only put 10 gallons in it and I've run it quite a bit. Dang. Clutch isn't holding good enough to do it burnout. I tried and tried and tried. Just cannot get it to do it. Nope. That's clutch. Ugh. That's clutch. It stinks. It stinks pretty bad. But I guess I don't really need to do a burnout on these brand new tires anyways. So, well, I do. I just need to do a clutch first. So I want to park this in the shop. It's getting really humid, which means storms is a immediate threat. So I'm going to park this in the shop. Well, I'll get out real quick. I need to take a picture for my uncle and see what he thinks of it. But I'm not too sure. Let's see. Let's see the best angle I can get on this thing. Okay. What do y'all think? I don't know. They're not the best, not the worst either. So let me know what you guys think down there in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.